The leopard is one of the 5 extant species in the genus Panthera. It occurs in a wide range in sub-Saharan Africa in small parts of Western and Central Asia. On the Indian subcontinent to Southeast and East Asia. To other wildcats, the leopard has relatively short legs and a long body with a large skull. It is similar in appearance to the jaguar but has a smaller, lighter physique, and its receipts are generally smaller, more densely packed and without central spots. Both leopards and jaguars that are melanistic are known as black panthers. The leopard is distinguished by its well-camouflaged, opportunistic hunting behavior, broad diet strength, and its ability to adapt to a variety of habitats ranging from rainforest to steppe, including arid and montana areas. Usually, leopards are larger in areas where they are at the top of the food chain without competitive restriction from larger predators such as the lion and tiger. The whitish spots on the back of their ears are thought to play a role in communication. It has been hypothesized that the white tips of their tails may function as a follow may signal in intraspecific communication. However, no significant association were found between a conspicuous color of tail patches and behavioral variables in carnivores. The leopard depends mainly on its acute senses of hearing and vision for hunting. How nice to see a creation by God. I'm very close and observe. They are strong swimmers and very much at home in the water, where they sometimes eat fish or crabs. Most leopards are light colored with distinctive dark spots that are called rosettes because they resemble the shape of a rose. Black leopards, which appear to be almost solid in color because their spots are hard to distinguish, are commonly called black panther. The size, head and body, 4.25 to 6.25 feet. The tail is 3.5 to 4.5 feet. The weight of the leopard is 66 to 176 pounds. Leopard can climb trees very skillfully, often rest on tree branches and descend from tree head bursts. They can run at over 58 kilometers per hour and jump up to 3 meters vertically. Aggressive encounters are rare, typically limited to defending territories from intruders. The leopard depends mainly on its acute senses of hearing and vision for hunting. It primarily hunts at night in most areas. Leopards usually hunt on the ground. The leopard is a carnivore that prepares a medium-sized prey with a body mass ranging from 10 to 40 kilograms. And now she's alert and looking at me. I think for her, I am food. I'm serious watching her focus my camera filming and suddenly